something I would like to put in the mind of the people here in Vietnam is that now with Olivo Logistics insulated containers, you can transport chilled, frozen items such as food, frozen food, medicine without chilled or refrigerated truck. And this is where we greatly help these companies not only fully secure their cold chain, but also dramatically reduce their delivery costs and also dramatically reduce their environmental footprint. It's absolutely safe for food and medical products. The materials we use are non-toxic. Olivo Logistics containers can help contribute to a greener world in at least 3 different ways. First, our containers, we can help to reduce the number of trips. Secondly, when we do a trip, deliver temperature-controlled goods, we do not need a refrigerated truck. So we save about 2 liters of gasoline per hour. And last but not least, our boxes are recyclable. They can be used about 1,000 times, which is much more than the foam boxes, the polystyrene foam boxes that are massively used in Vietnam and that are extremely polluting the Vietnam rivers and soil. We want Olivo to be an alternative to the foam boxes and to be a more sustainable alternative to these foam boxes.